Hello everyone, this is Dr. Zeeshan and welcome to my channel Dr. Tips. We will discuss common cold in this which is more prevalent in winter season. So before starting with the topic, with is common cold, as you all know, it is caused by a virus which is rhinoviruses, and the symptoms include fever, runny nose, sneezing, cough, and it transferred from one person to another person through respiratory droplets, which are sneezing, coughing, etc. So how to prevent it? Prevention is better than cure, which includes hand hygiene, boost your immune system by stay hydrated and taking proper nutrition, do some exercises, take a balanced diet, and get a sleep of approximately 8 hours a day. And that's all. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and press the subscribe button.